First, install the wheel stopper. Second, open the bonnet of the car. Third, install the 3-piece set. Four, check the tools. Check the coolant level. First, use a flashlight to shine on the coolant expansion tank and observe whether the coolant level is normal. Find that the coolant level is between the max and min marks. That means the coolant level is normal. There is no need to add the coolant. Check the coolant's freezing point. First, check the freezing point. This is the freezing point. This is the cover plate. Use a soft, velvet cloth to wipe the plate and prism surface clean. Second, open the expansion tank assembly cover. Use a dropper to take an appropriate amount of coolant. Drip a drop of coolant with a dropper onto the surface of the prism. Third, close the plate and press the cover plate slightly. Fourth, align the freezing point tester with the light. Rotate the eyepiece to make the scale in the field of view clear. At this time, you will see a blue and white observation line. The upper part is blue, and the lower part is white. The scale corresponding to the dividing line is the measurement result. Fifth, the observation result shows that the coolant's freezing point is -20 degrees Celsius, indicating that the coolant has failed. So the coolant needs to be replaced. 6. After the test, use a soft velvet cloth. Wipe the cover and prism surface clean and place it in the box. Replace the coolant. First, open the coolant expansion tank assembly cover. Second, lift the vehicle. Third, disconnect the radiator water outlet pipe. Use a recovery container to recycling the discharged coolant. Fourth, after the discharge is completed, connect radiator outlet pipe. Fifth, lower the vehicle. Slowly add the coolant. When the coolant in the expansion tank reaches about 80%, which is close to the max mark, and the liquid level no longer drops. 6. Return to the cockpit. Apply high pressure to the vehicle. Turn on the heating system. Through the operation of the electric water pump, release the remaining air release in the system and squeeze the radiator water outlet hose to accelerate air release. Observe whether the coolant level in the expansion tank drops. If the level drops, add coolant in time. Check the coolant level. Keep it between the max and min marks. 8. Observe the expansion tank's air vent. Wait for the coolant to flow continuously from the expansion tank, and the coolant level in the expansion tank no longer drops. Tighten the expansion tank cap. At this time, the coolant is added. 9th, restore the sight. In this class we have learned Geely M Grand EV300 motorcycle. For the coolant inspection and replacement method, it involves coolant freezing point detection, level detection, and coolant replacement. The replacement steps and processes of each new energy vehicle are slightly different, but they are basically the same. I hope you can find the corresponding new energy vehicle to practice coolant inspection and replacement. to improve and enhance your practical ability?